finished! Father, to your hands I commit my spirit.
Finished. It's finished. No. It's not over until I say it's over. It's not finished until I say it's finished. What is our light? What is our light? What is our light? Ah!
So God is light, and his son Jesus has defeated Satan once and for all. But why is still there darkness in the world? Jesus defeated Satan and made a show of him in 3 worlds to shame him. But then, when Jesus ascended, he left us, his followers, to spread the gospel that he had slayed the giant and holds his head on his hands. But the enemy asked for a rematch. Instead, God gave him us, because he knows we can take him out. Darkness is not a dread compared to God's children of light. Therefore, walk as children of light. Come out from among them. Does a soldier get involved in the affairs of the citizens? What then does light have in common with darkness? Sons of Zion, arise and yield to the hands of God as weapons. Let the earth tremble with terror of the Lord. For he shouted as a warrior under the influence of wine. Hence put on the full armor of God, that you may be able to stand against darkness. Our war is not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, rulers of darkness, and all wickedness. Blow the shofar and break the jar, O mighty men of valor. Shout aloud for the Lord and his bride. Tremble, O Greece, and be alarmed, for the Lord shall pour out his wrath upon you. Wail, O Egypt, for deep darkness and confusion is upon you. Shall run to your divination, and shall find no answer, for the Lord shall release confusion against you. Sons of light, O say to fear, fear me. Oppress the oppressor and terrify terror, for by his righteousness you shall be established.